So the other night we were at dinner, and I said to Derek, "Hey, have you ever seen Lost?" And he goes, "I have too much to do. I've never seen Lost."
I didn't say it like that.
I have things to do. Okay, so then he says, I gotta leave early because I gotta go watch The Bachelor.
I was gonna say,
but that teaches me things.
Well,
wait, I've never seen The Bachelor, so I would like to know, what does one learn from The Bachelor?
What you learn is that if
How to
you
be a
want,
bachelor.
if a woman doesn't like you,
Right.
you just need to get 19 other women involved, and then she'll like you, no matter how stupid you are or how little you say.
I'm pretty sure.
which is sort of your how you're going about this, right? I know. You just need to let them all know.
Your life could have been much simpler if you just read the game like 5 years ago and stopped watching TV.
You know, actually, it's funny because I bought the game, but I'm kind of embarrassed by it because, like, I take it on business travel and it looks like the Bible.
I know, I love that. That's the best part about the
That's the best part,
book.
but then they inevitably are like, "Oh, you're such a blessed man." I'm like, "No, I'm not. I'm reading terrible things right now." So like I'm paging through it. It has the red letters for like the really important words, and I'm like, "This feels so blasphemous." I'm like,
Have you read the game?
Yeah.
Is it
Does the game
does it
work?
cross over?
yeah.
What's that?
Does it cross over
Crossover
to
with
the
what?
other world with men?
I like how you're dancing.
What? I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Does it cross over with the gays? Is that what you're trying to say? Say it with me. Does it cross over with the gays?
With your world. That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh, it's my world.
No, it's not ours. It's yours.
Well, yeah. I mean, but, you know, yeah.